I was born a cat. I identify as a cat, but according to my mom.
I'm just a baby.
Hey, sir, can I have my pack of cotton balls back?
Dear people of the internet, please say hello to Muffin.
What is that? A ring pop? Why? No! As long as he knows he can literally jump up here.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Peanut, you used to be our good kid. Why are you our problem cat now? You should get down. Thank you.
Come here. Hi, sweetie boy. Ah, yes. Big stretches. Come on. Come on. Yes, you need some love. Hi, Jumbo. Oh, hi.
Yeah, pick me up.
I just found someone in my Crocs. Do you enjoy them when they're not in sports mode, bro?
Yes, Milo, what can I do for you? Yes, I'm listening. What?
This is what you do when you have an evil kitten and you want to get rid of him. You put him on a shiny surface and you... Okay?
Meow. Meow.
Want a treat? Scooby. Wow. What is that meow?
No, don't touch. We know this. What is that? I said, don't touch, or I touch you. See, you touch me, I touch you. Unsanitized. How do you like it?
Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, yeah, come. Bitch, yeah.
Huh?
Yes. Donuts are not for kitties.
You think I could hold onto the chicken and he'll hang off of it?
Probably.
Let go. Let go. Let go.
Oh, my goodness. Here. 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 Good job.
Ooh, this is nice. Girl, this all this is you right here? Okay. It don't smell like roaches in here or nothing. This is so nice.
I don't know what the hell that is. Is it a lynx? What is that?
Definitely not a domestic cat.
This is so crazy.
Just here doing nothing. He's all pissed off for nothing. For fucking nothing.
Don't talk to me, I'll murder you. Oh, the pain in my heart.
What? You mad?
You can't jump that high. You can't get it. That's why Mommy put it there. You can keep trying, but you're not going to make it up there. I will be impressed. Don't you even, Dallas. Hey. Are you kidding me?
What are you doing? This is Goosen, everybody. Goosen is just when he's acting like a silly goose, and I just turned it into a verb because that's what I do. So, that's Goosen. Yeah, good boy.
Everyone quiet. Gilly has something to say.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Hold on just a second. I'm sorry. My cats are... Stop!